Hello there, my beloved subscribers. We are back again, and today we are going to continue in our house project. But for start, super important information, guys. Thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 supporters. It's a huge accomplishment for our channel. So first milestone is done. But as you know, there is no such a thing as enough subscribers. So for those who do not have a subscription, do not hesitate. Last video, if you did not see, now is the time, we finished the switch pipe system. And because we would love to fill this empty space with a gravel as soon as possible and continue with the concrete, today we are going to prepare all necessary things which need to be exactly in this place. As the first thing, what we are going to do today is we need to clean this space between foundation wall and between the ground, because today we are going to apply the liquid hydro isolation for the foundation walls. Yeah, so I need to paint all around the future house, the outside, yeah, to really, yeah, two basic reasons why we need to do it. First one, we need little bit of hydro isolation to prevent the moisture coming from the surrounding area, from a earth to the foundation walls. And the second most important part is we are going to apply a glue on a side of the foundation walls, styrofoam isolation, the thermal isolation. And honestly, if you apply this hydro isolation layer on the bottom on the wall, then you have really the better stick between the styrofoam and the wall, and the glue really works. Here we have a little problem. Here the wall is really close to the earth. I don't know if you can see that. You know, the really small gap, and I won't be able to paint it there and also put the styrofoam, because the styrofoam has like 10 centimeters thickness. So I need to really manually dig it a little bit further from a wall. We clean it. Everything is prepared here. Now I'm going to apply the liquid hydro isolation. So I'm going to use the deck primer. It's a penetration for a concrete, and as I mentioned, yeah, it will be much better to have this layer on the styrofoam. So now I'm going to paint all walls all around. So here we are again. Hydro isolation is applied as I showed you last time, and today we are going to apply the styrofoam thermal isolation. We are going to use Isover styrofoam 100 millimeters thick pieces. It's an EPS styrofoam, so it's a hard one and it's special because we are going to apply it from this side all around the house. And we are not going to use it just as a thermal isolation, but we will use it as a boundary for a future concrete deck. So we are going to apply it like 15 centimeters higher, yeah, and then we will create a space for a future concrete deck. So that's the plan, but we need to measure it really accurate and really well. So let's go. So as you can see, we are going to start with the corners. So we glue it with a foam, we apply it on the wall, and now we have to wait 20 minutes till it will be dry, and then we are able to also apply the anchors to the concrete walls. Corner plates are done. Now we have to wait till glue will dry up, and then I will apply just the line, and then I will glue styrofoam plates all around. So now is the lunch break. Those panels are already super hard, and we are able to finish this wall. So my friends, as you saw, I did just the internal part, which is in connection with the terrace, and the reason is as a next step, when every preparation will be done, we are going to fill it with a gravel. And I really want to prevent the situation that the styrofoam will be damaged by excavator during the process of the filling this space. Yeah, so I will just finish the internal layer. Today we are going to finish the second one, because it will be styrofoam down there really to the footing, and yeah, then just a few pipes and we are ready to fill it. evening, and yeah, it's done. Look, the second layer, everything is here, the thermal isolation is applied, and there it's missing the last panel, because tomorrow I'm going to apply the pipes for the water, electricity and all this kind of stuff, and then we will be ready to finally fill all this place with the gravel. So we are back, and today we are going to apply the pipes, which will be as a protection for a main connection of the house to the electricity, the connection of the well to the house, and also to future sewage stuff. Yeah, and I'm also going to lay down the pipe for water to the house. So just a few connections, and then we will be done and ready for the next part, to fill the whole space with the material down there. Next, I'm going to apply the pipe for water. It's a water connection to the well, and I measure it to have it in one piece to really eliminate any kind of possible connection in the future. So this is the next pipe. The pipe for the water is there, and I just use this spare next to the footing, really under the styrofoam, next to whole house. And it ends here, and exactly this is the reason why I left the space for styrofoam, and then I will apply it. Yeah, so I have a lot of pipe to connect it to the water well. And now we really cannot forget about the also connection of the well to the electricity. So right next to the water pipe we are going to apply the red pipe for the future cable. So, little recap. We have the water connection, electricity connection for a well. Here are the pipes, all of them. The 4 pipes are there. Just the main connection of the house for electricity. Second one is for photovoltaics. Third one is for optic, and the fourth one is spare one. Yeah, and the last one which I applied on the other side next to the footing, and it's a electricity connection for the future cleaner of the sewage water, and I will just use, as soon as this will be connected, this pipe will go there. So it's again the full length. You do not have to use the unnecessary connection in the ground. For today it's done, and tomorrow I have to fill some gaps with the foam, because today I do not have next one, and I think just a few little steps tomorrow and we will be done. So it was a little pain, this last piece. I need to slide it from a side, but it's there. My friends, I can tell you, this was really a rough preparation. I'm really tired. And I can tell you that's it from today's video. So we did all major preparation, and next step in the next video will be the part when we will fill all this area with the gravel and we will continue. So give us a subscription, leave a comment, give us a like, share the video, and we will see each other in next one.